Welcome to week 4 of turning $1,000 into $10,000. And once again, the market punched us in the face. But why? The government just reopened. Shouldn't we pump to all-time highs? Let's break this down. Alright, here's why the market dipped. First is a buy the rumor, sell the news event. The government reopened, and many investors have already priced that in. So when the news finally hits, many people sold. Next is that AI stocks are under attack. SoftBank sold their entire holdings on Nvidia, and Michael Burry went as far as shorting popular AI stocks like Nvidia and Palantir. When the big players are selling, retail investors get scared. And lastly is the uncertainty of rate cuts. With the government shutdown, the Fed doesn't have enough data to determine if we should get a rate cut in December. And it's currently sitting at a 50-50 chance that we get one. And in this market, uncertainty equals red candles. Now that we know why the market dipped, let's look at our portfolio. We started the week with $989 and it ran to an all-time high of $1,032 before dipping back down to $945. But that's all part of the journey. Alright, let's look at what we did this week. First of all, SOFI hit all-time highs this week, so congratulations to any of the SOFI investors out there. My average was around $28 and SOFI hit an all-time high of over $32 for an over 10% gain. I took some profits, which is good timing because right after that, the market dipped. If you took profit as well, comment down below and flex your gains. I also sold open for a really solid win. My average for open is around $6.63, and I was able to sell for the price of $8.47, which is a over 27% gain. I'll take it. And this is where the good news ends, because Tesla got slammed during this week's market correction, and we're currently down over 6% on our position. But nothing fundamental has changed, and I'm still holding and looking to add on any chances I can. SOFI also had a huge dip after hitting its all-time highs, and is now currently sitting at around our break-even point. And again, nothing fundamental has changed, so I took this opportunity to add to our position. When it comes to TAC, there's nothing new this week. I haven't bought or sold any shares, just letting it ride. Alright, now it's time for our newest stock buy, ticker symbol ASST, Strive Asset Management. This company focuses heavily on accumulating Bitcoin and recently has been all over social media. With Bitcoin dipping under $100,000, I am taking a short-term bet that Bitcoin will recover, and once that happens, ASST will pump with it. This is 100% a high-risk, hype-driven play. I'm not married to the stock, and I'm just here for the momentum. Alright, that wraps up our week 4 of the stock market updates. Comment down below, should I keep holding ASST? When will SoFi bounce back? And any other stocks that I should be looking into next week. And as usual, everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and should not be taken as financial advice. Please do your own research before investing into anything. Alright, peace out.